This
6
conference will now be recorded.
Okay, last 6.3 years of experience on the Tableau part. So coming to the domain-wise experience, I have handled the different domain clients like a automobiles client and sales, and at the same time banking sector and mutual fund. So coming to the database experience, I have used the different databases in my current project and my previous projects also, like a SQL Server, SAP ERP system, Salesforce, and Oracle, okay, CRM systems. So this is a little bit introduction about my technical background and overall experience. So currently I'm working in the Capgemini, okay. So any questions? Deepika and someone else is there. Yes, Kirti. So, Deepika, Kirti, before going to start the demo session, I would like to know your skill set, Deepika, Kirti.
Yeah. Okay. I studied bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering.
Okay, okay. So, do you have the knowledge on the database side?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, okay, good, good. So, what about you, Kirti?
Hey, coming to my skill set, yeah, I'm in the IT industry close to 9 years, and I have been doing a lot of database designs and all those architecture things. And
Okay.
I was involved in ETL and reporting. So I
Okay.
just want to learn this Tableau tool. Thank you.
Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, it's very good. So, let me start with the Tableau demo class. Welcome to the Sun Trainings. So if anyone wants to start their career in the Tableau, first of all, they have to be understand the 2 points. The first point is different roles in Tableau. Okay. So the second point is different products in Tableau. So before going to discuss on the 2 points, Kirti and Deepika, first of all, we have to understand what is the Tableau. Okay. So why do we have to learn Tableau? In market, many reporting tools are available, but especially why do we have to learn Tableau? So that is the first thing. The next one is we will discuss about the 2 points. So Tableau is a data visualization tool. Data visualization tool in the sense here we can able to represent our data graphically. So that means graphical representation of the data. Okay. So for example, Kirti, Deepika, if you have a data, like whether it could be in the Excel data, whether it could be a database data, whatever it may be. If you have a data, you can able to write the queries or you can able to write the calculations. So it will generate the or it will display the plain report like column wise and row wise report. If you want to represent same data in the graphically, we have to load the data into the reporting tools. So Tableau is also one of the visualization tool. So, but why do we have to learn Tableau? What is the unique features are available in Tableau compared with the other competitive tools? Okay. So let me show you. Basically, there are the 4 important features are available in Tableau. The first one is the multiple data source connectivity. Multiple data source connectivity in the sense you can able to connect multiple systems at a time, okay, within the single Tableau workbook. So let me show you whether we can able to connect to the multiple systems at a time in Tableau workbook. So you can able to connect like a flat files also, it is possible. At the same time you can able to connect to the databases also, like whatever it may be. So all the types of flat files like Excel file, PDF file, statistical files, whatever it may be, every connectors are available in Tableau. So this is the starting screen. 1 minute, let it be reload. See here. Here you can able to see the 3 sections, Kirti and Deepika. The first one is the connector section, second one is the open, the next one is the discover. If you want to load the data into Tableau, so you have to go for the left side section over here, like a connector section. In the connector section, there are the two types of connectors, like a flat file connectors as well as database driver connectors. Flat files in the sense Excel, text file, JSON file, Microsoft Access, PDF, statistical, and if you click on the more option, so here you can able to see the all the flat file supporting extensions like a .json and .cub, .hyper, .tds, .dwb. So there are the different types of flat files are available. You can able to load it from the flat file into the tablet. The same way you can able to load the data from the databases also, like a MySQL, Oracle, Amazon Redshift, Microsoft SQL Server. If you click on the more option, look over here. Almost 50 plus database drivers are available here, Kirti and Deepika. All types of database drivers are absolutely free drivers. Okay, no need to install it or no need to purchase it. So every database drivers is absolutely free, like Amazon database drivers, like Google database drivers, IBM database drivers, Microsoft database drivers, Oracle database drivers, and SAP database drivers. So absolutely all types of database drivers are free drivers. Okay, so that is the AnyQ feature in Tableau. Whereas in other reporting tools like a ClickView and ClickSense or Power BI, whatever it may be, so we have to purchase the some database drivers to load the data. That is the important point. The second feature is reporting features. Okay, so reporting feature in the sense, already I told you Tableau is a data visualization tool. So that means we can able to represent our data graphically. So if you want to represent our data graphically, the tool also has to be support advanced charts like a 3D and whatever it may be. So AnyQ charts also should be available in the reporting tool. So in Tableau, there are the 35 charts are available. You can able to represent your data graphically using the 34 charts, like a 35 charts. And at the same time, if you want to create reports like a plain reports, like horizontal report, horizontal table report, and vertical table report, and cross table report, everything is possible in Tableau. The next one is, if you want to create the calculated fields, you have to use the functions. So basically there are the 8 categories are available in Tableau. Look over here: number based category functions, string category functions, date functions, type conversion, logical function, user based functions, aggregation function, and table calculation. Almost 8 category functions are available, and each and every category having the different types of functions. Look over here. Whenever we have a requirement, we will use those functions to achieve the client requirement. That is the important. The next one is the conversion. So if you want to convert your data type, like for example, we have a date related data type, but basically it should be in the string. Like if you want to convert date to string, yes, it is possible. Same thing if you want to convert integer to date, integer to string, string to date, string to integer. So all types of conversions are possible in Tableau itself. No need to go back to the database team. The next one is sharing, scheduling, as well as subscription. Okay, so for example, there are the 2000 people are there in the organization level. If you want to share it with the all the peoples, like a 2000, 20,000 or 2 lakh peoples, whatever it may be, if you want to share it with the entire organization people, okay, yes, we can able to share it with the all the peoples. As well as scheduling also, like you can able to schedule the application whenever you want, like minutes basis, hourly basis, daily basis, weekly basis, or monthly basis also it is possible. The same thing you can able to do the subscription also. So once we done the subscription, we will get the all the mails like a status mails, like a failed status mails or a successfully reloaded status mails, whatever it may be. Each and every actions we will receive as a mail information. That is the third feature. The next one is, if you want to export the Tableau output into different formats like Excel format or PDF format or image format. Okay, so we can able to export our Tableau output into the different formats. So why do we have to export the Tableau outputs? So for example, I'm a Tableau developer. I have created the Tableau workbook. So might be I have used the like around 20 sheets or a 20 reports or a 20 information, whatever it may be. Okay, I have created the Tableau workbook. There are the 20 reports are there. If you want to analyze the 20 reports in Tableau workbook, might be it will take the around 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Some customers don't have the time to spend the 5 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever. So they will request the Tableau developer just to export the entire Tableau output into the Excel format or a PDF format or images format. So then we can able to export entire dashboard level or a storyboard level or a sheet level, like a report level. We can able to export and we can able to paste it over there, and we can able to send it through the mail. That is possible in Tableau. Based on the pure futures, so Tableau is in the first place last 5 years onwards. Okay, any questions, Kirti, Deepika?
No.
No.
Okay, so the next thing is, now we have, yes,
Sorry, just
okay.
to elaborate few of my questions. I don't know whether just can you show me like can you explain a little bit on sharing part, like how do you share to the users who don't have the Tableau, I mean who don't have, I mean it is something like an URL thing or how it is, how do you
Yes,
share that?
sure.
Can you show me just 1 second?
Sure. Once we done, I will let you know how exactly we will share it with the
Okay,
customers. Okay.
no problem.
Oh, no problem. Thank you. So the next thing is different roles. So how many types of roles are available in Tableau? So what is the use of the each and every role? We have to understand. Basically, there are the two types of roles are available in Tableau. There are the two types, like a developer role and admin role. So basically, developers develop the Tableau workbooks on desktop. Okay, so that is the developer activity. But before develop the Tableau workbook, as a developer, they have to sit with the functional team, as well as they have to sit with the database team to understand the functional requirement, and as well as check with the database team to understand the database structures, table structures, as well as tables logics also. Once they get all the requirement from the two teams, functional team and database team, they have to develop the Tableau workbook according to the customer requirement on the desktop side. The next one is the admin activities. Once the developer completed the development work, as the admin, they have to share the application and schedule the application, and they can able to do the subscription also on the server side. That is the admin activity. So Indian market, we don't have the two types of roles, even in any organization level. So developer also has to do the admin activities. Admin also has to do the developer activities. So that's why in the training session, we are providing the both developer training and admin training. Okay. Kirti, Deepika, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Kirti, any questions do you have?
I don't have anything. Thank you.
Okay. So the next one is the different products in Tableau. So how many types of products are available in Tableau? So what is the use of the each and every product? Okay, so in the desktop, basically developers are using the desktop, and server admins are using the server. Is there any other products are available in Tableau? What is the use of the other product usage? So let me show you. Basically, there are the 6 products are available in Tableau. There are 6 types of products. One is the desktop, second one is the server, third one is the online, and fourth one is the reader, and the fifth one is the public, and the sixth one is the mobile. Okay, so we have a 6 products, and basically desktop, it is a basic product. Okay, so here we can able to create and we can able to modify, or we can able to read a Tableau workbook. So Tableau workbook is nothing but it is the combination of the sheets, dashboard, and storyboard. Okay, so when we install the Tableau desktop, Katie and Deepika, they are providing the 40 days trial version, and if you want to purchase the desktop key, official key, we have to pay the $2,000. It is very expensive, so that's why. And the Tableau team or a Tableau, they are providing the student license keys, like it will valid 1 year, and it is the full version of the keys. So to get the student license keys, we need a student ID scan copy. Okay, if there is any, we will do the procedure, then automatically they are providing the student license keys. It is very free. Okay, it is absolutely free license key. At the same time, we will get the all the features. The next one is the server. It is a web application platform maintained by the developer or a admin guy. Okay, so just it is a web application. When we purchase the Tableau server, by default they are providing the 10 users license keys, and we have to pay the $10,000 for that. It is the cost. Once we increase the users list, then the price will be varied. So it is a web application, right? In the desktop side, we are creating, we are modifying, and we are reading the Tableau workbook. But what type of activities we will do on the server side? Look over here. So either a developer or admin guy publishing their workbook onto this server and share it with the users. Okay, so users can able to access the application through the web. So it is a web application. So either a developer or admins are publishing their workbook onto the server. Once we publish, we can able to share it with the users. So if I want to provide the access to the users, okay, I have to publish onto the server, and at the same time I have to provide the sharing access also. So how exactly users are accessing the application? We have to provide the link. Okay, once we provide the link, users can able to access the application. That is also through the web only. The next one is the online product. So it is also similar kind of the server, but it is a cloud version of the Tableau server. Cloud version of the Tableau server. So the main difference between the server and online is server need to be installed physically in our local machine, in our premises. But online, no need to install it, just it is a cloud version. We have to create one account. Through that account we can able to do all the server activities like a sharing, scheduling, everything we can able to do it through the online account. So for example, you don't have the any knowledge on the server side, then we can able to request the Tableau team for all the activities like a sharing, scheduling, and everything. We can able to request the Tableau team, and they will charge for that. For each user wise, they will charge $500. Okay. For example, in our organization, there are the 10 peoples, like a 10 people end users are available. We have to provide the access to the all the 10 people. Then we have to pay the 10 users, like a 10 into $500 to the Tableau team. They will take care of all the things like a sharing, scheduling, and security level, everything they will take. That is the difference between the online and server. The next one is the reader. It is a free product. So here we can able to read a Tableau workbook. See, in the desktop we can able to create, we can able to modify, and we can able to read it, right? But in the reader, just we can able to read the Tableau workbook. You can't able to create, or you can't able to modify also. So that is the use of the reader. The next one is the public. So might be you know the difference between the public web portals and secured web portals. So public web portals in the sense like everyone can able to access, right, without paying the amount or without enter the credentials, like in newspapers. So like anything like any university websites or something. Okay, you can able to get it the information on crickinfo.com also. Everything you can able to get it without enter the credentials or without paying the amount. It will show you the some information. The same way Tableau also has introduced one public web portal. Here we can able to get the information like a Tableau related information without paying the amount or without enter the credentials. That is possible in Tableau public product. The next product is mobile. So here we can able to read a Tableau workbook on mobile devices. Okay, so that is the use of the mobile product. If you want to get the access through the mobile, yes, it is possible. So you have to install the Tableau mobile application in your mobile. Everyone have the Android mobiles, right? So you can able to install it. Then developer can able to provide the access to through the mobile also. So that is possible. These are all the 6 products. Anyone have doubts? Kirti, Deepika?
I'm
No,
good.
sir.
Okay. So the next one is, see here, desktop. So let me explain how to create the Tableau workbook. So it is the combination of the sheets and the dashboard, right? So let me show you how exactly we will use the sheet, dashboard, and storyboard. So currently I'm going to load the data from the Excel. So that's why I'm using the Excel connector. Just browse it. When we are loading the data from the data file, okay, so Tableau is creating the connection string. This is the connection string. So under the connection string, you can able to see the list of the tables. Just to drag and drop the required tables onto the semantic layer. It is the drag and drop tool. It is very user friendly. So once we drag and drop, again we have to enter into the sheet level. Why do we have to enter the sheet level? So in the semantic layer, we can able to create the data model. You can't able to create visualization. Already I told you Tableau is a visualization tool. So if you want to represent your data graphically, so it is possible in the sheet level. Look over here. So there are the 3 tabs are there in the bottom of the screen. One is the new worksheet. Second one is the new dashboard. Third one is the new story. So worksheet in the sense you can able to create the single report in the sheet level. If you want to combine multiple sheets, then we have to use the dashboard. So story is nothing but if you want to combine both sheets and dashboard, we can able to use the storyboard. So let me create the reports. Look over here. There is the column and the rows. Here also you can able to drag and drop the required information onto the columns and rows. Okay. Look over here. It is very user friendly tool. Again, if you want to create the one more sheet, just click on that. Okay, so I'm going to create the one more sheet like a customer by sales. Just to drag and drop here. Okay, you can able to sort it out. Otherwise, you can able to add the more dimensions also. So that is possible in Tableau. So basically, there are the 4 reports we have created here. Okay, so all the reports have created in the single sheet level. If you want to combine all the reports together with interactive mode, we have to use the dashboard. So there is the option over here. Just to click on this option, automatically dashboard window will be open here. You can able to set the dashboard size also. Now here also you can able to do the drag and drop. Just double click on the sheet level. Automatically it will adjust. Okay, if you want to make it manually, yes, you can able to make it manually. Otherwise, automatically also it is possible. Just I have double click on all the sheets. Automatically it has arranged, okay, by default. That is possible in Tableau. This is the dashboard, right? If you want to combine both sheets and dashboard, then we will go for the storyboard. So it is a page by page representation of the sheets and dashboard. So like we are creating the PPTs, right, in the organization level. Same way, here also we can able to represent our data PPTs like, okay, page by page representation. In the first page, category wise. So if you want to create the one more page, just use the blank option. This is the second page, right? Just drag and drop the second page. Without click on the blank option, you can able to click on the sheet 3. Automatically, it will create the third sheet. Just click on the sheet 4. Same way for the entire dashboard. So that means in the first sheet is the one report, second one, third one, fourth one, finally entire dashboard. So that means we are combining all the sheets and the dashboards with the page by page representation. So this is the possible in Tableau. Okay, clear? Kirti, Deepika, any questions?
I'm
No.
good.
Okay. So now, Kirti, so your question is how to share the Tableau workbook. See here, we have to use the server option. For example, if you have a server credentials, you can able to log in that. Just here, you have to enter your server credentials. Once we enter the server credentials, we have to click on the connect option. So once we click on the connect option, it will be connected to the server. Then we have to click on the publish workbook. Through the desktop itself, we can able to publish and we can able to share it with the customers. That is possible in Tab. Okay, Kirti, this is my personal laptop. I don't have the company laptop. Okay, so that's why I'm unable to connect to the server.
So, okay, so to share, we need to connect this workbook to the server, and from there we need to publish.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay, it is very easy. Compared with the other reporting tools, Tableau server is very easy. At the same time, you can able to restrict row level and as well as user level. So all the restrictions are possible in Tableau, but it is very easy. Okay. Any questions on the future wise, like a futures or a roles or a products or something? Please let me know. Otherwise, we will move on to the course details. Shall we move?
Yes, please. Can you please, yeah, just explain how we are going to handle this? I mean, how we are going to learn these things.
Yes, sure. Okay. Duration of the course 30 days, like a 28 to 38 days. Duration of the class daily 1 hour. So initially we will give the basic training on the database, okay, if there is any required. Okay, so then basic training on the Tableau, advanced training on Tableau, server training. Okay, so when it comes to the hardware requirement, so if you want to install the Tableau desktop, minimum 4 GB RAM is required. If you want to install the Tableau server in your machine, minimum 8 GB RAM is required. Okay, so daily you will get the class videos. Okay, resume preparation. So finally we will provide the two project. So the first project is the dummy project. Just it is a simple table, like just we are providing the one Excel file. So in the Excel also there is the one sheet is there, as well as we are providing the Tableau workbook also. Just you have to replicate it. Okay. Second one is the real-time project, but we are not providing the real-time data. So it is a crime. So that's why we are not providing. The project structure and everything is same, only the values we have modified. Okay, we are not providing the real-time project values. Okay, so we have multiplied with the some like a 4 or 5 digits or something. Automatically the price and sales values are just okay. We have done that. Okay, any questions on the course details? Kirti, Deepika?
No,
Um,
sir.
so here is my idea, like I want to involve more on the project level. Like I want to get the practical way of understanding the Tableau. Um, so is that something possible within this session? Uh,
No, I'm not getting. Can you?
I mean the project level, whatever you are trying to understand, the second project, which is of the real time project, right? It is
Yes.
something that is that we can understand more in depth of Tableau, how it works in the company level. Like that is what
Yes.
you're gonna make us implement.
Yes, we are providing the training like a real-time training. Like, so for example, basically we will start with the basic training, like basic training in the sense, 1 minute. So each and every property we have to understand one by one. Once we understand all the properties, like a sheet level properties, what is the column, what is the row, filters, color card, size, text, like each and every menu bars. So what is the use of the properties, like a data connection properties, what is the semantic layer. Once we understand all the basics, then we will move on to the advanced. Advanced is nothing but it is very similar to the like a real times, like how exactly we will create the calculated fields. Okay, so then what are the advanced topics are there, like a set, and so in the set parameters, hierarchy, groups. So how exactly they will ask you the requirement, how exactly we will achieve this requirement. So everything we will discuss on the with real-time examples.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Deepika, go ahead.
No, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
okay.
have any questions on that, please let me know. Otherwise, we are going to close the session. So please check with the admin. Okay, we will start the regular classes. Okay, timing is
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for joining us. Thank you. Good night. Bye.